Hey, welcome back. I thought I'd shoot a little funny clip here today. I'm working on this '06 EFI 500 Sportsman, and the thing's got about 68,000 miles on it. Motor still runs really strong. Now I see why. The guy had rebuilt the motor, and I saw drips of oil underneath as it was sitting. So I started taking everything apart. And if you look right in here, see all the way back there? What's missing? Guy rebuilt the motor, forgot to put the base gasket in. JB welded the bottom seam so oil wouldn't drip out. I think that's hilarious. I've been doing this for 5 years, and I always get a kick out of how guys do repairs. Just all stupid, different little things. Instead of ripping it apart and redoing it right, just schmucked her up. So this engine really isn't that different than a regular, like say 99 or 2000 500. Even though it's EFI, everything else is pretty much the same. The timing chain tensioner is smaller. Polaris must have chinched out on that. I actually have another one of these blocks at home, or engines at home, and I did put the rubber boot on here like for a carved 500, and it does fit up. So, I mean, I could basically probably throw an engine from a 2000 in here and be good to go. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm going to rebuild this and do it right. But yeah, there's not really too much to the fuel injection. Pull that off. I mean, you got your line going, your electronic fuel pump in the tank, your fuel injector down here, if you can see it. It's way over here. Little electronics. I'm actually liking these because I hate rebuilding those CV carbs. I think they're junk. So, otherwise, the rest of it's all pretty much the same. So, I'm going to be tearing this apart. I just thought I'd shoot a quick video, see if you guys get a laugh out of this. I thought it was pretty funny. I guess I'll be tearing this apart. Like always, till next time.